In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a picture in a circle in Adobe Express. Whether you're creating personalized graphics, branding materials, or just having some fun with photo editing, knowing how to shape your images can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Adobe Express. Once there, you can either start a fresh design or choose an existing one from your projects within the editor. It's entirely up to you where you'd like to begin. Now, let's move on to uploading the photo you wish to use. If your photo is already uploaded to your project, simply select it. If not, go ahead and click on the Upload option to bring your chosen picture into the design space. This will allow you to work directly with your image within Adobe Express. Now we need to activate the photo on your canvas. This is done by clicking on the image itself, which will make it the active element you're working with. By selecting the photo, you'll enable various tools and options that Adobe Express offers, allowing you to manipulate and edit it as you desire. With the photo selected, you should now look for the option labeled Corners. This tool is magical when it comes to rounding the edges of your photo. The goal is to achieve a perfect circular shape. Once you've located this tool, use your mouse or trackpad to adjust the corner roundness. By dragging along the slider, you can see your image's corners start to curve. Continue to adjust until you achieve the desired circle shape. This feature gives you a lot of control over the final appearance of your image, allowing you to make subtle or dramatic changes based on your preferences. A helpful tip to keep in mind while rounding the corners is to ensure that the image's aspect ratio is square, meaning the width and height are equal. This ensures that rounding the corners will yield a perfect circle rather than an oval shape. If you find your image isn't perfectly square, you may need to crop it beforehand to ensure the best results. And there you have it. Your photo is beautifully enclosed in a circle. You've now learned how to effectively use Adobe Express to create a sleek, professional-looking image with a circular crop. Experiment with different images and settings to enhance your skills further. With just a bit of practice, you'll be able to master this feature and incorporate it into your future design projects. Whether you're preparing graphics for social media, your business, or just for fun, using circular images can add an elegant touch to any project. So, go ahead and explore the abundant possibilities that Adobe Express offers. Remember, creativity is your only limit.